Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Students, this video is for the student who are studying in 6th standard History and Civics chapter number 6, that is Janapadas and Mahajanpadas. Students, today we are going to carry forward the second part of this chapter, that is Mahajanpadas. In the last video we have studied what is Janapadas in detail. Now we are going to study about the Mahajanpadas, okay, in detail. So without wasting time, let's get started. Students, now we will study Mahajanpadas. Yes, do you know what is Mahajanpadas? If you know, type your answer in comment box. Do not forget to write your answer, okay? Mahajanpadas. To understand Mahajanpadas, it is very important to understand Janapadas, okay? So right now we have understood what is Janapadas and what kind of Janapadas were there in the post-Vedic period, that is 1000 BCE to 600 BCE. Okay, student? So now we will understand what is Mahajanpadas. We know that Janapadas were very small states. Janapadas were very small kingdoms, okay, that were expanded from Kamboj in Afghanistan nowadays to the east of India, that is Bengal and Odisha. And in the south, Ashmak, that is in Maharashtra, nowadays it is known as Aurangabad. Okay, such kind of large expansion was there. But in this expansion, only small states came into existence. Some of the small states expanded their boundaries, expanded their geographical boundaries by conquering other states, by winning the other states. Okay, yes. So they conquered the other states and they expanded their geographical area, and some of the Janapadas become more powerful. These more powerful and stronger and larger Janapadas are called as Mahajanpadas. Okay, student, have you understood? They become bigger and bigger, larger and larger, stronger and stronger and powerful. That Janapadas are called as Mahajanpadas. Okay, so such kind of 16 Mahajanpadas were emerged in post-Vedic period later on. Okay, how many Mahajanpadas were emerged there? 16 Mahajanpadas were emerged. Okay, student, have you understood? Yes, very good. And see, student, again in this 16 Mahajanpadas, only few Mahajanpadas were very powerful and stronger and larger. Okay, that we will study afterward. First we will learn which were the 16 Mahajanpadas. Okay, yes, are you ready? Very good. Student, we will study the ancient names of the Mahajanpadas as well as the modern names of the same Mahajanpadas. Okay, what it was called in the ancient period and nowadays what it is called as. Okay, yes. So first one is Kasi, that is known as Banaras now. Second is Koshal, that is nowadays it is known as Lucknow. Third one, Malla, that is known as Gorakhpur. Fourth one, Vatsa, that is Allahabad nowadays. Fifth one, Chedi, that is known as Kanpur. Sixth, Kuru, modern name of Kuru is Delhi. Seventh one is Panchal, modern name of Panchal is Rohilkhand. Eighth one is Matsya, the modern name of Matsya is Jaipur. Ninth one, Shurasen, the modern name of Shurasen is Mathura. 10th one, Ashmak. Just now I told you that Ashmak was in Maharashtra. Nowadays in Maharashtra, Aurangabad. Ashmak is called Aurangabad in Maharashtra. 11th, Avanti. It is known as nowadays Ujjain. 12th one is Ang. The modern name of Ang is Champa, East Bihar. 13th is Magadha. Nowadays it is known as South Bihar. 14th, Vriji. Nowadays it is known as North Bihar. 15th one is Gandhara. Nowadays it is known as Peshawar in Pakistan. 16th is Kamboj. The modern name of Kamboj is Afghanistan. That was in the northwest to the Indian subcontinent. Okay, student, have you understood? So all these were the 16 Mahajanpadas. And student, just now I told you, among these 16 Mahajanapadas, only few Mahajanpadas were very strong, powerful and larger in expansion. Okay, student, so which were they? Do you know? If you know, type your answer in the comment box. Kosal, Vatsa, Avanti and Magda. These four Mahajanpadas were very strong, powerful and large in expansion. Okay, student, have you understood this one? Very good. Now we will study the Mahajanpadas, these four Mahajanpadas in detail. Okay, student, have you understood? Very good. Students, we are going to study in depth about Avanti, Vatsa, Kosala and Magada, which were very powerful Mahajanpadas. So let's start with Avanti. Avanti, an ancient kingdom of Avanti, was located in the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Ujjaini was its capital. The city was an important trade center. The king of Avanti, Pradyot, was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. During the reign of King Nandavardhana, the state of Avanti was merged into the Magda Empire. So students, this is about Avanti Mahajanpadas. Now we will study the next one. The second powerful Mahajanpadas was Vatsa. The Mahajanpada Vatsa was located in the region around Prayag, that is Allahabad, in Uttar Pradesh. Kosam, the capital of Vatsa, was the ancient city of Kaushambi. It was an important center for trade. Three extremely rich merchants of Kaushambi had built three viharas for Gautam Buddha and his followers. King Udayana was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha. Students, here viharas means this is a kind of temple in Buddhist religion. Okay, student? So, vihara means Buddhist temple or monastery. Okay, students? Yes, as well as here King Udayana was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha. Contemporary means the person who lives in the same age or time. So here King Udayana was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha, means both are living at the same time. Okay? Very good. After King Udayana, the state of Vatsa could not maintain its independent existence for long. The king of Avanti, Mahajanpadas, conquered the state. Now we will have some more information about Kosala Mahajanpada. The Kosala Mahajanpada was located in the foothills of the Himalayas in the region of Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. The famous cities of Kosala were Shravasti, Kushavati, and Saket. Shravasti was the capital of Kosala. Gautam Buddha had lived in the famous Vihara Jetvan at Shravasti for a long time. The Kosala king Prasenjit was a contemporary of the Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. Student, I have already told you the meaning of Vihara and contemporary. Okay? Later, the state of Kosala merged with Magadha. Students, now we will study the last Mahajanpadas, that is Magadha. The ancient Mahajanpada of Magadha was spread through the regions of Gaya, Patna in Bihar and some regions in Bengal. The capital of Magadha was Rajgriha, that is Rajgir. King Bimbisara's palace was built by the architect Mahagovind. Jevaka, the famous physician, was at the court of Bimbisara. Bimbisara had become a follower of Gautam Buddha. Okay, student. So in this way, we have the more information about Avanti, Vatsa, Kosla, and Magadha. Okay, student, have you understood this? Very good. So these were the more powerful Mahajanapadas in the post-Vedic period. So students, today we have studied Mahajanpadas. Have you understood, student? Yes, there were 16 Mahajanpadas emerged in post-Vedic period, and few of them were very stronger, powerful and larger in expansion. Okay, student? So this is for today, and in next video we are going to study the rise of Magadha Empire, which was one of the powerful empire among the 16 Mahajanpadas. Okay, student? So be connected with me so that you will get the new videos. Okay, if you have liked this video, then share it, comment below the video, like it, and do not forget to subscribe it, as well as press the bell icon so that you will get current notification of the new videos. Thank you. Be connected.